Hey guys, welcome to another exciting edition of Communication Skills. Today we're going to be talking about emails. We're not going to be talking about calls today. So when you write an email, right, as a response back, one of the things that I've seen is that since you have templates and you have a very clear understanding what the customer really asks, we immediately respond back, and I think we need to change that. So take your time, understand the issues, categorize the issues that he's trying to state. And the second tip is never state the obvious or think the obvious, right? Many of times you think that the customer has called before and he would know how to do a particular thing. That's not always necessarily the case. The customer might have actually done that before with you, but unless you handhold the customer, he or she would never know. The third tip that I would like to give is always use the customer education. Remember, when a customer actually emails you for any kind of issue or statement, that person would not have known how to do it. So always make sure that there's no assumptions and you actually state it very clearly, as if the customer can actually refer back to that email and resolve it. And the fourth most important part is when you actually talk to the customers, make sure that you've actually really understood the difference between a bug and a feature. Many of times what I've seen is the customer believes that it is a bug, whereas you might think that it's a feature, or vice versa. The customer expectations need to always be set. So always focus on the communication, take your time to respond back, educate the customers accordingly. And the last thing is make sure that the customer expectations are set. These tips will go a long way in improving the communication, specifically the written ones. And moving forward, if you have any kind of inputs or queries, or you want us to help you out, just email us at thinkfaculty@thinkfaculty.com, or visit our website at www.thinkfaculty.com. Have a great day, guys.